In this video, we're going to have a look at Excel's COUNTIF function. We're going to explore what the COUNTIF function is and how it works. So first of all, the COUNTIF function. The COUNTIF function enables us to count a range of cells in a specified area that meet a particular criteria. So this is useful for doing things such as going through a list of data and working out, in this case, how many orders we have in our list that relate to blue scope steel. So the first thing I need to do is click where I want the answer to go, and I'm going to click the Insert Function option. And in here, I'm going to look for COUNTIF. Now, in my case, it displays down the bottom here, but if it doesn't, you could type COUNTIF in the box here and click Go. Excel will automatically refine the list to COUNTIF and its sister function COUNTIFs. It asks, first of all, the range that we want to count. So I want to select from row 4 down. So if I go Control-Shift down arrow, Excel automatically selects all the way down the list till it finds the first blank row or blank cell, which happens to be at the bottom of my list of data. The criteria I'm looking for is I'm looking for blue scope steel. Now I need to put blue scope steel in quotation marks. This tells Excel that it's a piece of text and not a number. I'm going to click on OK. Now it tells me there's 99 blue scope steel orders. Now if I wanted to check that, I could easily come here, switch on my filters, filter by blue scope steel only, and then go Control-Shift down arrow. And down the bottom here in the bottom right hand corner, you can see it shows 99. So that's how I know that my COUNTIF function is correct. So I'm just going to go back and I'll clear the filter. So that's the COUNTIF function in Excel.